Looking to supercharge your Minecraft world with new adventures, minus the sketchy downloads? Stick around, I'll show you how. First, safety check. Only use official sites like the Minecraft Marketplace, CurseForge, or Modrinth. Never trust sites with pop-ups, wild promises, or weird-looking ads. And absolutely never download files ending in .exe. Think of those as digital poison ivy. Now for Bedrock Edition, open Minecraft, hit the Marketplace tab, and search for free packs. Make sure to filter by Minecoin free for the good stuff. Once downloaded, just pop into your world settings, activate your new content, and boom, instant upgrade. For Java Edition, Step 1. Install Forge or Fabric from their official sites. Step 2. Grab jar mod files from CurseForge or Modrinth. Check they match your Minecraft version. Next, drop them into your mods folder. Launch Minecraft using the Forge or Fabric profile, and you'll see those sweet mods in action. Always back up your worlds first.